Hello, this is Mr. Childs. Not feeling very well today. My wife is COVID positive, and I thought I was, but I'm testing negative, but I still have symptoms that would make me cautious about coming to school. So I thought I would give you a short lesson today. But first, before we do anything, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Perfect. I've talked about him all year, and you finally have a formal introduction. He is pleased to meet you, and he will help us with the lesson. Okay. All right. So, you know that we have been talking about probability. And today, I want to follow up what we did. I was not here 2 days in a row without me. You guys are going to be in big trouble. Kidding. Uh, I want to just to follow up on that lesson about multiplication, the multiplication rule of probability. So I think the key to the rule is this. As soon as I find my marker, oh, here it is. As soon as I find my marker, is this whole idea of independence. Is one outcome, which would if we're talking about I don't know, rolling a dice, is one outcome see uh, is one outcome going to affect the next one? All right. So the whole idea is, are you going to replace what you've already done? Are you going to replace it? uh, the easiest thing to talk about with this, I find, is cards, but we've kind of done that. So I'm trying to think of something else other than cards that might be good. Uh, how about, give me a second. How about, let's keep it simple. I'm trying to think too complex. It'd be cute. Let's talk about just balls in a bag, colored balls in a bag. So let's say that we had, I'll write these down and then I'll turn it around for you. Let's say we had 5 blue, 4 red, mhm, uh, 2 yellow, and I don't know. How about, let's have some green. Let's say just one green. One green. Balls in a bag. We got this black bag with all these balls in there. So why don't we, first of all, let me get over to the page I want to be on in the book. And next time when we're together, I'm going to do, I didn't want to do it over the internet here, but we're going to do tree diagrams. That's the next thing we're going to do. But I'm just going to follow up what we had you do. Now, if you haven't done that, which is the batteries, the shirts, and the benefits, make sure you do that for next time. This assignment is going to be very similar to that. All right, first thing I would look at, here's my balls. I got 5 blue, 4 red, 2 yellow, and 1 green. So I would want to know the total. So if I total them up, 9, 11, 12, I got 12 balls. 12 balls in the bag. So why don't we, with that, let's talk about the concepts involved here. And the concept is this. you're not going to replace it. Once you take a ball out of the bag, you're not going to replace it. And that shows influence. So you're going to go down one each time. So let's get a example. Let's go with an example. Example number one. Let's say we pulled two balls out and they were both red. So you would agree that the first ball, the probability of first ball is 4 out of 12. Then we're going to, because this is multiple outcomes, we're going to multiply. So we're going to use the multiplication rule, but we're not replacing. So that's going to go down 1 times 3 over 11. Okay? Then you know how to multiply. I told you on with the calculator, you don't need parentheses. You just multiply right straight across. 4 times 12. Oh no, that is wrong. Sorry. 4 divided by 12 times 3 divided by 11. And I get about 9%. 9%. You okay with that? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm giving you, I'm not going to call it busy work, but just reinforcing work that is very similar to what you had with the batteries and the shirts. Okay. So I'm going to put together a worksheet right now, and I'm going to post it on Google Classroom, and you should look for it as today's assignment. I'll put today's date assignment, and it will, all the questions will deal with these balls. Okay. In a bag, 5 blue, 4 red, 2 yellow, 1 green. Okay, sorry did not make it in today. You did get a chance to see my friend here, which makes me happy. And hopefully I will be in on Thursday, and we can go over this. And like I said, I want to go over tree diagrams next from this chapter. All right, look for that worksheet. And that's it for today. See you later. Have a good day.